National Weather Service in Albany has issued a flood warning for the Mohawk River at Cohoes from late tonight until Tuesday afternoon. At 4 p.m. Sunday, the stage was 15.0 feet. Flood stage is 20.0 feet. Record flooding is forecast. The river is forecast to reach flood stage by 12 a.m. Monday and forecast to continue to rise to near 24.5 feet around 2 p.m. Monday. The river is forecast to fall below flood stage after 10 a.m. Tuesday. Impacts in Cohoes, approximately from Saratoga Street east to the Mohawk River will be underwater, including Simmons Island. Forecast flooding increased